Vivek's AI investment strategy, where to put your money now for growth. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing technology, it's changing where the smart money flows. Vivek has been vocal about how AI, biotech, and data driven innovation will dominate the next decade. So today, we're breaking down exactly where he's putting his focus and how you can position yourself for growth right now. Vivek's core investment philosophy is built around one idea: own the tools that power intelligence. That means investing in companies that build or supply the infrastructure behind AI, not just the apps everyone talks about. Here's what that looks like in real terms: semiconductors like NVIDIA and AMD that fuel machine learning, cloud infrastructure giants like Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud, the backbone of AI deployment, data analytics and cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike, which protect and process the data that AI depends on. These are not just tech stocks, they're the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. Vivek's approach also includes a long term value mindset. He looks for businesses with strong cash flow, minimal debt, and leadership that understands both innovation and regulation. Instead of chasing hype, he targets companies that turn AI from a buzzword into measurable profits. If you want exposure without picking individual stocks, consider ETFs like SMH for semiconductors, BOTS for AI automation, VOO for broad S&P 500 stability while AI grows within it. This balances risk while still capturing upside from the sector's explosive momentum. Remember, AI is not a moment, it's a megatrend. Vivek's strategy is about owning the foundation, not chasing headlines. If you align your portfolio with the companies building the future of intelligence, you're investing where the real growth is. Don't wait for the hype cycle. Position yourself now, because in this new AI economy, timing and conviction matter more than ever.